Are you in the market for a new bike brake cables, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike brake cables on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Shimano Universal Bike Brake Cable Set. Are you tired of your bike's brakes not working properly? Look no further than the Shimano Universal Bike Brake Cable Set. This cable set is perfect for both mountain and road bikes, providing a reliable and durable option for any cyclist. The stainless steel inner wires ensure smooth and consistent brake movement, while also offering superior resistance to corrosion. The set comes with a black cable housing, 2 steel cables of varying lengths, and ferrules and cable tips for easy installation. This kit allows you to improve your bike's stopping power and enhance its durability, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. The versatility of this cable set is especially appealing, as it can fit a range of bikes without compromising on quality. Whether you're a casual rider or a more experienced cyclist, the Shimano Universal Bike Brake Cable Set is a great investment for anyone looking to upgrade their bike's braking system. So, upgrade your bike today with the Shimano Universal Bike Brake Cable Set and experience the difference for yourself. Number 2. Hapleby 10 PCS Premium Bike Brake Cable. As a cyclist, you want your bike to perform at its best, especially when it comes to your brakes. That's where the Hapleby 10 PCS Premium Bike Brake Cable comes in. Made with the highest standard zinc-coated material, this brake cable set ensures smooth movement and superior corrosion resistance. The kit includes everything you need for easy and hassle-free installation, including sheath ferrules, and caps, and 2 different lengths of front and rear cables. And it's not just for regular bikes, the cables are also suitable for tandem bikes, making it a versatile choice for any cyclist. With a brake cable tension that works well even under a force of 250 pounds, this cable set provides a smooth ride for over 200 miles of riding. Upgrade your bike's brake system with the Hapleby 10 PCS Premium Bike Brake Cable Set, a reliable choice for any cyclist looking for a corrosion-resistant, easy to operate and replace, and smooth-performing brake system. Number 3. Houdeb Mountain Bike Cable Kit. Are you in need of a complete replacement kit for your mountain bike brake and gear cables? Look no further than the Houdeb 2-set mountain bike brake cable gear cable wire and cable end crimps kit. This kit includes 4 brake cables, 4 gear shift cables, 8 cable end caps, and 24 donuts, all made of durable metal for better braking power and smooth operation. The cables are approximately 2 meters long, and can be easily cut to match the size of your bike. The kit also includes donuts that protect your bike from grind lacquer and end caps that prevent cable ends from being scratched. The Houdeb 2-set mountain bike brake cable gear cable wire and cable end crimps kit is suitable for both front and rear gear and brake, making it a versatile choice for any cyclist. Upgrade your mountain bike's brake and gear cables with the Houdeb 2-set mountain bike brake cable gear cable wire and cable end crimps kit. Number 4. Bike brake cable housing kit. This comprehensive kit includes a bicycle brake line set and V-bicycle brake noodles cable set. The brake line set is designed to be strong and durable, with a long length and various heads to fit both mountain bikes and road bikes, providing more braking power and smooth operation. The V-brake noodles cable set is made of rubber tube with a plastic pipe, reducing friction brake line, and effectively protecting the brake line, making it suitable for V-bicycle brake repairing. Whether you're looking to repair your bike's brake system, or gift it to a fellow bike enthusiast, this kit is a great accessory. It offers durability and sturdiness, and is a perfect fit for both mountain bikes and road bikes. Upgrade your bike's brake system with the bike brake cable housing kit today. Number 5. Defer Bike Brake Cable Set. As a cyclist, you know how important it is to have a reliable braking system on your bike. That's why we recommend upgrading your bike's braking system with a sturdy and durable bike brake cable set from Defer. Made with heat and oxidation-resistant PVC material, this kit includes stainless steel cables that provide greater braking power and smooth operation. The kit is suitable for mountain, road, and common bikes, and is effortless to install. It includes a pair of front and rear brake cables that can be easily maintained with a small amount of lubricating oil on the steel wire. We love the sturdy and durable PVC material that can withstand wear and tear, and the stainless steel cables that ensure reliable braking. This kit is a great investment for any cyclist looking to improve their bike's braking performance. Upgrade your bike's braking system today with a sturdy and durable bike brake cable set from Defer. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.